Hello students, today we are going to start our new chapter number 4, Weather and Climate. In this chapter we are going to discuss about the concept of weather and climate, the features of weather, features of climate, about global warming, about the temperate zones of our earth. In this specific video, we are going to discuss about the concept of weather and climate. Here, we will first discuss about the definition of weather. So, weather is a condition of air. The condition can be windy, stormy, slow wind, fast wind, local winds. A condition where the humidity in atmosphere rises, or a condition of rainfall, or you can say a condition of temperature where the temperature rises and where the temperature decreases at a given place and time. So if we compose all these points in one definition, it will come out as a condition of air, humidity, rainfall, temperature at a given place and time. Now, when the weather changes, it changes frequently. You can say on daily basis or in fraction of seconds. You may just look out the window, it is raining and all of a sudden the rain stops. Or it can be opposite of it. In the morning when you are going to school, it is a shiny, bright, sunny day. But by the lunch time, you may see dark clouds. It may start raining. It is change of weather. You must have seen in the news channels that daily there is a weather forecast. Daily there is a weather report where it is raining, what will be the temperature of tomorrow, what will be the weather of tomorrow. So this is the changes. If we ask that how a weather changes, when a weather changes, so answer it changes frequently. It changes more often and you never know when the weather changes outside the window. Now coming to the main elements of weather, that on which elements the weather is dependent and changes in which elements affects the weather. If there is movement of air, now the movement of air can be high, it can be low, and there are many times that there is no movement, and on these three bases the temperature and the weather changes. If there is a speedy wind going on, there can be storms. If there is no air, no movement of air, what we feel humid, we start feeling suffocating, we feel as if nothing is happening, why the trees are not moving. If the temperature rises, the next element is temperature. What if the temperature rises? There will be a lot of heat, you will feel dehydrated, you may even faint. These are the consequences which happens when the temperature rises. What if the moisture in the atmosphere rises? Moisture means the water content. Again, it will affect our body, and so do the air pressure. So these are the four elements of weather. First one is movement of air, second is temperature, third is moisture, and fourth is air pressure. Now, as the concept of weather is clear to you, we are going to climate. What is the meaning of climate? So according to the definition, climate is the average weather conditions of a place, a specific place over a longer period of time. Here, longer period of time means the conditions of that place for many years has not changed, has remained same for a specific period of time. I will show you a photograph and make this point clear. Here on the screen you can see I have used two photographs of same place, but the timings are different. You can see the time period of May and June, and on the second side you will see December to January, means that winter season of North India, and on the second photograph you will see the summer season of North India. It is not like that in one year there will be no summers, another year there will be no winters. No, it has remained same for many years. Then we can say the climate of Delhi is foggy, is cold in December, January, that even you cannot see the India Gate behind it. And in May and June, or you can say in the summer period, the climate of New Delhi is hot, clear, bright. Summing up or concluding this, the definition of weather is a condition of air, temperature, wind, rainfall and humidity in atmosphere at a given place and time. And when we talk about climate, it is the average weather conditions, meaning average rainfall of that area, average humidity at that place, what is the average temperature of that area, what is the average movement of wind in that area for a longer period of time. Hope the concept of weather and climate is clear to you.